Hi friends, welcome to another cleaning video. In this one I am going to be cleaning up my bathroom really quick. It's just going to be a quick tidy up just because I'm expecting company, so I'm just doing a quick tidy up even though it is pretty dang messy. And then I'll be cleaning certain areas of my house that you don't normally see me clean also. So I hope you enjoy this video and I hope it's very motivating.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good, I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time to time I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without.
I'm just leaving my hairbrush and makeup out just because I'll be doing my hair and makeup in just a little bit.
The only one I'm thinking of.
And in case if you're wondering, I am using the Method All-Purpose Spray in the scent of Cucumber.
The one that I can live without, can live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of.
And now to move on to all of my kids' dirty laundry and dirty laundry from the bathroom that they just threw out into the hallway, so I can easily just go do a load of laundry. Or two. See this, you guys? I am drinking more water. Alright, so my new vacuum is making its debut on my channel. I just bought this the other day from Costco for $150. It is the Shark Professional Lift Off or Lift Away. I absolutely love it. It works incredible. I still have my Shark Rocket stick vacuum. I use that to go underneath furniture. It's just easier because it reaches really well underneath it, and it has a smaller tank, so this one is better for all over the place since I have 2 dogs and a toddler who throws crumbs all over the place. And then here is my wall. I don't know if you guys can see it very good, but there is like juice splatter all over the wall or something. I just did not see it, so I'm going to clean the crud out of it, and I'm going to be using my Mrs. Meyers apple cider scented spray. I love this stuff, as you guys already know. So I'm going to be cleaning my walls with this, and yeah, it's making my house smell amazing. All right, and here is my front door. It is so dirty, you guys. I don't know how I missed this, but the inside of the door is just absolutely filthy. So I'm going to take the same spray, the Mrs. Meyers apple cider spray, and I am going to clean it because I am so tired of looking at how nasty this thing looks.
If nothing changes, so change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
All right, now it looks so much better.
My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you.
And now I'm going to vacuum up the dog hair on my couch because Penny leaves a lot of blonde fur all over this couch. Max does too sometimes, but he prefers the other couch. All right, now to vacuum up my living room.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
Just try not to vacuum up baby blankets.
I'm going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you
All right, you guys, thank you so much for coming and watching this cleaning video. I hope I motivated you to clean as well. And if you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
don't know how I shiver inside, doesn't show, but